everybody. My name is Jena Vangjel. I am a trumpet player and music teacher here in Baton Rouge. I hope you're all doing well and staying healthy and enjoying some time to slow down and possibly express yourself creatively in a way that you haven't before. We're living in a time where history is literally being made. Nothing like this has ever happened in this way before. I think that this is going to be a time that people look back on and talk about for many years to come. So I would encourage you to take this opportunity to create almost like a diary entry of how you're feeling and what you're experiencing during all of this. One of the ways that you can do that is to write a song about it. If you've never written a song before, I think that it can be helpful to start with one that you know already and just change the words to fit whatever you're feeling and experiencing. So you can use something like a nursery rhyme or even a popular song that you really like. This way, there's a melody already. You don't have to worry about that part. You can just express yourself through the lyrics. So this song that you create can be obviously whatever you want it to be. It can be serious or it can be funny. It's just a way for you to create sort of a time capsule, something that you can look back on years from now, and when you read it or hear it, you'll think, oh yeah, that's what I was feeling. That's what that was like. What we're going through now is very serious. But I think that even during serious times, it's important to do things that make us laugh and that make us happy. It reminds us of what we're living for. I've written a couple songs just to get you started and give you some examples. The first song I've written is to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Quarantine is getting old, all my loaves of bread have mold. I've been wearing sweats for days, last time I showered is a haze. Too much screen time hurts my eyes, time to wash and sanitize. So that one was just something goofy to give you some ideas to get the creative juices flowing. The second one is to the tune of You Are My Sunshine, and this is to thank all of the awesome healthcare workers who are on the front lines protecting us. Coronavirus has shown the kindness of healthcare workers all around. They brave long hours, so we will thank them for keeping us both safe and sound. If you do write a song and you share it on social media, please tag the Arts Council so that we can see what you've been creating. Being stuck at home can feel like a creative drain, but it's actually an awesome opportunity for us to tap into what we're feeling and experiencing and to express those emotions. Whatever your chosen form of creative expression is, don't stop creating now. Use this time and these feelings to create something special.